Hey, welcome to Hive, where you can stay up to date with the latest updates about marketing, sales, and business.
We all want more Instagram followers. Okay, well, even if you aren't obsessed with that count going up, simple Instagram tips can always come in handy. Your friends and family might still love you if your feed is filled with blurry pics, but they probably won't complain about pretty photos either. If you can't tell, I like Instagram. Yeah, maybe sometimes I take it a little too seriously. I realize that Instagram is not life or death. Ebbing numbers of followers do not dictate my happiness, but as someone passionate about aesthetics and a longtime lover of photography, posts, content, feeds, IGTV, Instagram is my daily creative boost. And if you are more than just a casual user on the app, then you probably understand what I mean. So without any delay, jump on tips. Tip number 1. Produce fun Instagram Reels. Many brands do not use enough video on their social media channels in general, but they especially lack video on Instagram. Video is essential in today's current social setting, and using more of it in your feeds will help you stand out. What types of videos you make is up to you. You can share brand storytelling videos, product videos, vlogs, or Q&As. Video may become even more critical after the release of Instagram Reels, an expansion of Instagram that will permit users to make videos up to 15 seconds long. You can even include sound, effects, and other attention-grabbing elements. At that point, share them on your feeds or through the Explore tab. It will increase your Instagram followers. Tip number 2. Take followers behind the scenes. Followers love behind-the-scenes content. It creates transparency that allows them to feel like they are getting to know the real you behind the brand. It builds trust, and it's a refreshing change of pace after a stream of product images. Another nice bonus: behind-the-scenes content does not need to be nearly as polished as some of your other images. Because of this, many brands incline toward keeping their behind-the-scenes content only for their stories. Tip number 3. Look at your feed as a whole. Once you post something, try to think about how it'll fit into your feed as a whole. In case your whole feed is moderate, then possibly try to dodge posting a super busy photo. If most of your photographs are shining and breezy, a super dim picture may seem slightly out of place. It appears senseless, but it makes a difference. It also helps your photographs become more recognizable to people thoughtlessly scrolling through their IG feed. For me, I try to make sure what I am posting is always excellent, bright, and punctuated with pops of bright color. Tip number 4. Announce new products milestones. Here is a simple but effective concept. Announce new products or new business updates on Instagram with an interesting visual. It gives you more content to share on the platform and encourages users to follow you because everyone wants to feel like they know about a brand they love. Tip number 5. Run an Instagram contest or giveaway. Want to induce a lot of engagement rapidly and create excitement around your brand? Challenges and giveaways are the way to go. Contests will get people talking about your brand, and they can regularly surrender solid social proof or user-generated content, in case not both at once. For best results, offer a most pertinent prize to your target audience, even if the common populace would not be that interested. After all, anyone would comment for a free iPhone, but it is more important to get engagement and entries from users who would become customers. Tip number 6. Seize the moment with seasonal posts. Customers love to get into the holiday spirit. It does not matter whether that holiday is a major one, like Thanksgiving, or an unofficial one, like National Dog Day. Take benefit of this by creating seasonal posts that are immediately and in timely relevance. Posts about summer vacations, winter weather, and even a specific meteor shower can also work in addition to the obvious holidays. Tip number 7. Encourage followers to tag a friend. A tag-a-friend approach is sometimes used in tandem with contest posts, but they can exist independently. These posts will encourage followers to tag a friend in the comments they think would genuinely like the product or who might relate to the subject of your post. It may offer an incentive, but it is not a necessity. Tip number 8. Inspire followers with a quote. Inspirational quotes are kind of like the cheesy feel-good movies we all love. There is so much negativity online after all. Sometimes we need to see something positive and motivational. It also creates positive associations between your followers and your brand, which is always a plus. So guys, it is fun to curate an Instagram feed that fits in with your brand. It is a fantastic way to showcase what you love and are passionate about. It is one of the best creative tools out there, but it is just an app on your phone. As I said in the beginning, followers are not everything. No one cares if you do or do not post a selfie. And the world is not going to end if you post another photo of your coffee. So have fun with it, be creative, and use it as an opportunity to debut your creative sensibilities. Simple as that.
Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Live Hive squad and be a part of our channel. Thank you for watching.